Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a TeaShop. First, you'll want to conduct thorough market research to understand your potential customers and competitors. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan, which is crucial for outlining your strategy and securing funding. Don't forget to obtain all required licenses and permits. Finally, selecting an ideal location with high visibility and foot traffic is key to attracting your first customers. Now let's talk about your menu. Curate a diverse selection of high-quality teas, from traditional options to trendy bubble teas. Source fresh, premium ingredients for your unique blends and consider offering delightful food pairings like scones or small sandwiches. Remember to set competitive pricing for all your items, ensuring both profitability and customer appeal. A well-thought-out menu is central to your shop's identity. Creating the right atmosphere is vital. Design an inviting and comfortable interior that encourages customers to relax and stay a while. You'll need to purchase essential brewing equipment, like commercial tea brewers and temperature-controlled kettles, along with other kitchen necessities. Always ensure your shop complies with all health regulations. Ultimately, you want to create a welcoming and memorable experience that keeps people coming back. Finally, let's discuss getting the word out. Develop a strong, recognizable brand identity that reflects your shop's unique charm. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to showcase your teas and engage with your community. Consider hosting special events, such as tea tastings or workshops, to attract new customers. Always gather customer feedback to continuously improve your offerings and foster loyalty. These steps will help your tea shop thrive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.